Hey, welcome to the Frugal Fixer Shop. Today we're going to use some of this and glue a template on, and we're going to make a template to build this guitar out of. So hey, hang with me. I got a template here that I made for making this guitar, and I think this is the one I'm going to use, so I'm going to go ahead and glue it up and put it together. And well, not with that glue, I'm not, am I? I think that one's a done. Let's get another one. Invisible tape. I couldn't find it. You know why? Because it's invisible. Guys, look at this. Instead of this, I got this. And I can take it and go over there like that, glue it on. Once I get it glued on, I'll have me a good edge. And I can make that exact template. I don't know about y'all, but I'm liking that. That's what we want. Yes, we could just put that on right there like that and stick it. But I think probably the best thing to do is just put a little few marks on it so we can see where we're at. I guess it's ready to be trimmed out. What do you think? Let's go for it. You know, it ain't gonna get done if we don't get at it. Let me check on this 3D printer I got running over, make sure it's okay. 3D printer's making parts for the prospecting business, so I can make some money to make guitars. We're gonna take this out here and cut this sucker out right quick and make it. So let's get at it. Let's just make it happen. Let's finish trimming it out. Got the rough trim. Now I'm just going to ease up to this line with my sander and get up there close. So I have me a template ready to make these Melody Makers with. So that's what we're going to do next. Ease up on the line. Probably do better with the sander because that's just a little bit too fast. I think I'll be better off to use the sander to take that thing down, guys. So why don't we set up the drill press and put a sander bit in it and use that to do this, because that straight sander over there is not going to do it. It's going to take something with a roundy on it. So let's go for that. I got to do some drill press operations. And I think I'm going to go about right high. And then I'm going to loosen this table up here. Man, all these bolts on this thing are really tight. Okay. There's that and that. We need to get a little closer than that. Okay, let's make a drill press. Here we go. Now, let me spin you a little bit, give you a little better view. Now we got a drill press. Move around here to the drill press. I'm going to put the chuck on right quick so I'll have something to work with. Chucky. piece before I can do anything. Y'all know that. And then I got to reach around there and turn the motor on. One Melody Maker. You know what I got to do with this? Let me show you. Okay, folks, I got my Melody Maker template cut out and ready to go. And we're going to put it on this piece of Sycamore right here and cut it out just like that right there. So, hey, y'all follow along. Catch me on the next one and we'll get this thing done. We're going to go to work on this guitar. We're going to put this on here. We're going to mark it out. We're going to cut it out and then we're going to hollow out a whole bunch of this. Put a block in here for this and a block in for the neck. That's what the idea is. So, hey, y'all be good. Stick with me. Let's go. A Melody Maker Acoustic. Might be the first one ever. We'll find out, won't we? Let's take this thing and show it to the wife and show her what we got done tonight. Y'all be good.